So good morning to one and all present here. Today we are going to see about the computer fundamentals and C programming. So introduction. So what the term computer is derived from the word compute. So what is meant by computer? So computer is an electronic device or a machine that takes the data and the instruction as an input from the user and process the data and provides an useful information is known as an output. So input is nothing but a data or a program or an instruction. So data is a raw detail that need to be processed as an useful information. Whereas program, it is a set of instruction to the computer in a sequential or non-sequential manner. So cycle of an operation of a computer is known as it has a 3 cycle: input, process and output. So data is processed as an input and the instruction is processed and it is processed and get an output as an information. So electronic device is known as a hardware and set of instruction is known as a software. A computer includes various devices that functions as an integrated system to perform several tasks. CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse are the sum of the device. So it is known as a CPU, a monitor and keyboard and mouse. Application areas of the computers. It is used in the data processing, that is for commercial use, numerical computing for scientific use, and text processing for office and educational use, message communication for email communication, image processing for it is used for industrial and animation industries, voice recognition for multimedia industries. So these are the application areas where the computers are used. So now we are going to see about the classification of computers. The computer systems are classified on the following of 3 categories: on size, type and the functionality. So first we are going to see about the size of the computer. So it on the basics of size, it is classified into 4 category: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and it is a supercomputer. So first we are going to see about the microcomputer. So microcomputer is defined as a computer that has a microprocessor as its CPU. It is used in the tablets and smartwatches. Microcomputer system performs the following basic operation: input, storing, processing, outputting and controlling. So let me discuss how it is processed. So inputting, the process of entering a data instruction to the microcomputer is known as an inputting. The process of saving and instruction in a memory is known as an storing. Processing, it performs arithmetic and logical operation. Example: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also it compares the logical operation as greater than and less than. The output, after the processing a data, it provides a result to the user in form of visual or a report. So these 4 categories are controlled by the in a sequence manner in and above all the operations. Microcomputer, so medium and sized computer are more powerful than the microcomputer, usually designed to serve a multiple users simultaneously. Hence it is called a multi-terminal or a time sharing system. It is a popular research and business organization today. It is an expensive than microcomputer. Example: personal laptop, PCs, etc. So next one we are going to see about the mainframe computer. It helps in handling information processing. It is widely used in a bank, insurance company, hospitals and railway. It acts as a central location and connected to a several user terminal and act as a access station. It is a large and expensive. Example: IBM Z series, System Z9 and System 10 servers. Next one is we are going to see about the supercomputer. So supercomputer is a more powerful and expensive. It is the fastest computer. It is used in the scientific application where we use a higher level of processing. It is used for predicting a weather forecasting, climate risks and chemical components. The multiprocessing and parallel processing technology, it is used to solve a complex problem. The multiprocessor can enable the user to divide a complex to a smaller problem. The supercomputer is a multi-programming where the multiple user can access the computer simultaneously. Param and Jaguar and Roadrunner are some of the examples of supercomputer. So next category is on basics of types. So on basics of types, it is classified into three category: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. So where analog computer shows us a data as a variable across a continuous range of value, whereas digital computer, it has a distinct values. All the information is displayed using a digits, zeros and one. Hybrid computer is a combination of analog and digital computer. And third category is on basics of functionality. So it is classified into some of the. First one is a server. It offers a specific service to a client. It provides a security server or a database server. Workstation, having a multiple user operating system, can be used by a single user at a time of daily purpose. And third one is an information appliances. It is used for selected function for internet browsing or multiple games. And last one is an embedded computer. The computer are used in form of computing device. So the computer are classified into basics of size, function, and types. Next we are going to see about, so what is meant by computer program. So before knowing a computer program, what is meant by algorithm is a step-by-step process, whereas computer program is a step-by-step set of instruction for a computer. The computer instruct the computer. So what is to be performed, where to locate a data, and how to present the result, when to make a certain decision. So these are the instruction which are written to tell the computer. So the computer language are classified into mainly three categories. Machine language, it uses a low level language. It uses zeros and ones to create an instruction. It is also known as a binary language. Next one is an assembly language. It uses a middle level language. It uses a mnemonics to create an instruction. Or procedure oriented. So it is also known as a high level language, similar to human language. So machine language, the computer made up of two state, plus and non-plus. The instruction and data are written using a binary code, that is zeros and one. The binary code is a machine code or a machine language. So it poses two problems for the user. First one is it is difficult to understand and remember because of combination of zeros and ones, and it provides a writing error because of the free instruction is a slow process. It is mainly used in the first generation computer. Assembly language, so assembly language, it is used in the second generation language. It is also called as a low level language. Zeros and one is replaced as a mnemonic code. And next one is a high level language. So high level language, it is classified into three categories: procedure oriented, problem oriented, and natural language. So procedure oriented is used in the third generation, problem oriented is used in the fourth generation, and natural language, it is used in the fifth generation. So procedure oriented language, it solves a general purpose problem, that is for a command to express a logic and procedure of a problem. Example, it is an advantage is a portable. Problem, it solves a specific problem. It consists of query language and a syntax. Natural language, the computer behave like an expert and it solves problem, specifies the problem and constraint for the problem solver. Mainly it is used as an so these are the basic fundamentals of the computing programs and the computers. Thank you so much.